Stormy. He is having the best time. Me putting stuff up on his shelf. This is hard to film and do. And then him knocking it off thinking it's fantastic. Best game ever. Oh. Oh my goodness. What happened? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's a little crying at the door. He's hearing us play. Oh my goodness. Have you ever seen a more handsome boy? Oh. You don't even let mommy get a chance. Let's do it over this way. Uh-oh. Oh, is this the wrong side? Did I do it wrong? Oh my goodness, you're so talented. You did it with your nose. Wow, Stom. That's exciting. That is excitement right there. Pink nose. Pink nose. My boy. It's my boy. Yes, my big beefy boy. Huh, you're the big one. Yeah. Watching his brothers play out there through the screen. Curly tail, curly tail. Somebody's got a curly tail. Are you coming through? You coming through, honey? Handsome. Handsome, handsome. Oh, you better get clean. That was a lot of playing. You jumping? Oh, that doesn't look right. Oh. What do you think, Storm? Coming down? My fireplace wasn't meant to be for the cats. The whole top of it. I had like really pretty things that I wanted to put on top of it, but the cats just think all the shelving and all the platforms are for them. So whatever, that's life with cats. All right, we will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.